now 6:17 a.m. The gym was kind of packed, so I wasn't able to record anything else besides kind of just like stretching and stuff like that, but I got in a bomb ass workout. Hopefully I can, come on camera, focus. Okay, I'm gonna go home and get in the shower, and then make a protein shake and show you what the rest of my day looks like.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumb, give us a huge thumbs up. But
I'm gonna throw some laundry in really quick before I take him to school. Okay, take your vitamins.
bye.
Okay guys, so I officially made it to work, and this is around the time where I start getting hungry after having my pre-workout like I showed you guys earlier this morning and working out on an empty stomach. So I am mixing my TEAMI Blends protein powder with my Silk Vanilla milk. I love this flavor with the protein powder because the protein powder really doesn't have much of a flavor, so that just adds a little bit extra. And I'm using one of my other favorite vanilla protein powders as well. So since I did an intensive workout this morning, it's awesome that this protein powder, it really does help with like your bones, your muscles. I'm not crazy sore after my workouts the following day, and I do notice my muscles also feel a little bit more firm when I drink my protein shake. And I love drinking it in the morning and for lunch because it does decrease your cravings, like your sweet cravings and like just like your hunger cravings in general. So this will be my breakfast and lunch. So last but not least, after I have meal replaced for the day, I'm not really hungry because my protein shake really got me full. So I am making an egg scramble. I'm including my favorite veggies like kale, spinach, mushrooms, and even some avocado on the side, you guys. Super easy, super simple, and delicious. So that is it for what I eat in the day. I am going to unwind after having a super long and busy day and get in a nice bubble bath. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to TEAMI Blends for collaborating with me. And I will see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.